Yeah, look at that. Brewery Hotel. Does it get any better? So we've arrived in Prague at our hotel. The hotel is called U Medvidku Beer Spa Hotel, right in the centre, right near the old town. So we're really looking forward tomorrow to getting round. They've given us a free beer in their signature glass, U Medvidku, that they brewed on site. Very nice it is too. Quite sweet, quite caramelly, 5.2%. But good.
So while we're enjoying this, let's have a look around.
Let's have a look then. Reveal, Lindsay, reveal.
There we go.
We're in.
Oh,
Let's have some lights.
there we go.
Ooh, very nice, very cosy. Massive bed, massive headboard. Got a TV and everything there. Let's have a look at the bathroom, Lindsay. Let's put the telly on. Put the light on.
Put the light on.
There we go.
That looks clean enough.
Little corner shower. Yeah, nice. Nice mirror. Nice radiator, hairdryer.
Oh, good.
Well, no good to me, but yeah. This is nice. Cosy. Right, where's the lights? Let's have a look. Is that it? Here we go.
There we go.
There we go. So we've got TV. What's under here? Let's open this. Nothing. Empty. Storage. Got a dressing table there.
Doesn't look like we've
Two
got
glasses.
any...
No tea and coffee.
No tea and coffee facilities, no.
All right, okay.
Okay, no.
Nice big bed. That looks comfy. Towels. Outside. Look at the size of this window. Wow. Massive.
It's an old building.
Massive. Let's have a look where we are.
Oh,
Where are we? Open that up, Lindsay, for me.
I think that's the front
Can you
of the
open these
hotel.
windows, do you reckon?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
Not that you want to, it's freezing. Right, sorry about the camera work. Let's have a look where we are. Here we are. Where's that? I think this is the front of the hotel. And that's where we walked down when we turned into this street. I'm sure of it. That's where we are, and I think the reception entrance is down there. And then you've got that up there. In fact, yeah, it is, because I can remember seeing that beef bar up there. And we've got a cannabis shop over the road. Very good. Yeah, that's what, definitely, because I can remember that big butterfly on there. So yeah, that's where we are. Coming to get you. I can hear her. Here she is, mate.
Thank you.
There we go. There's our room. Bit of a weird layout because the front door's right round there. But there you go. This is where we're staying for the next 2 nights, Lindsay.
It's quirky by the look
It is quirky. Yeah. Yeah. Bit strange. No tea and coffee, but there you go. It's a nice room, though. Look at this window. So we've got breakfast included, so we'll show you that when we go down there tomorrow. And we'll show you a look round as well.
Oh, eggs, sausage. Lovely.
Wow. Yeah. Oh.